Fellsmere Union Church, located at 12 North Hickory Street, is the first and oldest church in the city of Fellsmere. Yeah, this is pretty crazy, guys. Look at the windows. Wow. Up there, it's a bell. Yeah, these windows are something. Yeah, it's right across the street from Giuseppe's. Wow, here's what the back looks like. There's the bell. Wow. Hey guys, if you like the video you just seen, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really do appreciate it. Thank you for taking time out of your day. Have a great day.